Etteren, det er You shouldn't spend all your money on music and albums. 2. My parents said that I gladly might while they was on holiday. 3. After the pair had John never would get married. 4. The manager must send the rest of the workers home because of strike. 5. If you has to be able to find the address, would I have written to you? 6. Mr. Close has never wanted to talk with his neighbor. 7. He had to sell his car. 8. The students will not to be able to understand the problem if you don't help them. 9. My brother had always wanted to go out to fish alone, but had never made for our parents. 10. I have been allowed to borrow the car, never signs and make a dent in the mudguard. 27. You know that you can climb up in the telephone pole, but you must not. 2. You must work harder if you wish to pass the exam. 3. May I go in the cinema? 4. Italy may win the championship with the fantastic team. 5. You can get lost in Lake District if you don't be careful. 6. May you along so soon. 7. He couldn't get to Brington in time. 8. He may not go in school anymore. 9. May I borrow the car tonight? 10. It may have been a big whale that could gobble Jonas. 11. It may be wish to take umbrella with 12. You said that the building over there maybe is the parliament, but our teacher said that it must be Royal Festival Hall. It can't be both. Tommy Fester there. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. Where she sit, she shine, and where she shines, she sit.